Hi, my name is Jerry, and today I'm going to show you some jungle animals. Alex the lion, he is my friend. You can recognize him by his big mane. This is my friend Benjamin, that's it, crocodile. It is green in color and has many teeth, lives in water, and swims fast. Oh, my friend Lucas flew in. He's a parrot. It has a beak and beautiful feathers. It is all colorful. Amazing! Kevin jumped in already. He's a frog that likes to jump into the water. It is green in color and can live in water, but also on dry land. Okay, and now I'll show you more friends I found in the jungle. Oh yes, this is my friend William the leopard. You can recognize it thanks to the spots on its body. It is very fast and is most often found in the crowns of trees. Here's my long friend Samantha. She is an anaconda. She lives in the forest, and you can recognize her by the fact that she is long and thick. She is 4 to 6 meters tall. It is most often found in the crowns of trees and weighs almost 300 kilograms. My friend Liam has already crawled in. He's a chameleon. You don't notice it very often. It can change colors according to the environment, and most often crawls in the crowns of trees. This is my friend Elvira. She is a butterfly. It has beautiful, colorful wings. There are many such butterflies in the jungle, and they have different wing colors. Okay, and now I'll show you some other friends who live in the jungle. Wow, this is my friend Philco. He's a pelican. You know him because he is pink, has long legs, and most often walks in water. It is from 160 to 180 centimeters tall. This is my friend James. He is an orangutan. It lives mainly in the trees where it makes its nest. It rarely goes down to the ground. Okay, and now we have a big beast here. It's my friend Leo, and it's a tiger. You can recognize him by his orange fur and many stripes on it. It is the biggest beast of all, with excellent sight and hearing. The last friend is Sid. He is a slacker. He sleeps up to 20 hours a day and lives in a tree. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you.